Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The Bestwood Pet Gate is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing solutions for pet owners looking to restrict access to certain areas of their homes without compromising on style. These gates are designed to blend seamlessly with your home decor, offering a more refined alternative to traditional plastic or metal barriers, while still providing the essential functionality of keeping your furry friends safe and contained. Whether you need to block off a staircase, a doorway, or create a safe zone for a new pet, a wood gate offers durability, stability, and a touch of natural elegance that enhances your living space. Number 5. PETMAKER 3-Panel Foldable Wood Pet Gate. Introducing a versatile pet gate designed to keep your furry friends safe. Its elegant gray finish complements any home decor, providing a modern solution for pet containment. Forget complicated installations. This freestanding gate offers a sturdy barrier for your pets without any drilling, protecting your home's walls and finishes. Safely block off stairs, hallways, or doorways with this adaptable gate. It's ideal for openings between 33 and 46 inches wide, ensuring your pet stays where you want them. When not in use, this gate folds compactly for easy storage. It's lightweight enough to tuck away in a closet, under the bed, or even take along on your travels. Crafted from quality wood and metal, this gate is built to last. It provides a reliable and secure enclosure for your beloved pets. Measuring 54 inches long, this gate provides ample coverage for most pets. It's designed for use with small dogs, puppies, and cats to ensure their safety. What we like? This gate offers a freestanding design, meaning no installation is required, protecting your home. It's also foldable for easy storage and portability. If you need a versatile gate that doesn't damage your walls and can be moved easily between rooms or even taken on trips, this is a great choice. What people say? They do the job, look good, and if I can easily move it to another area if needed. They are well made, sturdy, and keeps my dog from using the steps. It looks nice, functions exactly as described, super easy to use and move around, easy to open to walk through. The height is perfect. It's easy to move around, zigzag, etc. to get it in the position you want. It is also lightweight. The panels are sturdy yet lightweight, and I can easily fold it up and store it when I don't need it. It's also the perfect height for my dogs, tall enough to prevent them from slipping through or jumping over. The design is sleek and blends well with my home decor. It's easy to set up and move around, and the material feels durable. Number 4. PETMAKER 3-Panel Folding Indoor Pet Gate. Introducing a stylish and functional solution to manage your pet space. This gate offers a modern way to restrict access to certain areas of your home. Forget about complicated setups. This freestanding gate requires no drilling or permanent installation, protecting your home's walls and doorways. Perfect for any opening, it can be used at the top or bottom of stairs, in hallways, or any doorway up to 46 inches wide. When not in use, it folds compactly for convenient storage in closets or under beds. It's also portable for travel. Crafted from MDF with a beautiful brown finish, it complements your home decor while providing a sturdy barrier for your pets. This gate is designed to safely contain small dogs, puppies, and kittens, giving you peace of mind. What we like? This option features an accordion design for a sturdy yet freestanding setup, eliminating the need for drilling. Its brown finish complements many decors. If you're looking for a reliable, no installation required gate with a classic look for everyday use in your home, this one is ideal. What people say? This gate comes fully assembled and ready to use out of the box. It stands up on its own with no issues. It opens and closes easily and smoothly. It seems very high quality, and it's much prettier than the plastic baby gates I'm used to. It also folds up pretty flat, like 2 to 3 inches maximum. Great for puppies that are climbers. It has a smooth finish, is lightweight, and a wonderful puppy deterrent. I can block off areas and not worry about them getting into things. The gate is heavier too, and it comes with little nylon feet tabs pre-installed to protect the floor. It takes up very little room when collapsed and gets the message across to my multiple dogs not to go up the stairs. Number 3. Safety First Adjustable Baby Gate, Vintage Wood, Gray. Enhance your home's aesthetic with its decorative, modern wooden design. This baby gate effortlessly blends into your existing decor. Setting up this gate is a breeze with its tool-free design. You can quickly secure areas of your home without any drilling. Easily move this adjustable gate from room to room as needed. Its pressure-mounted system allows for convenient relocation throughout your home. Adults can operate the walk-through gate with just one hand. The secure handle is designed to be tough for little fingers to release. Designed to fit doorways from 28 to 42 inches wide, it provides a secure solution for various spaces. Use it between rooms or at the bottom of stairs. What we like. This gate utilizes a pressure mount system for quick, tool-free installation and removal. It's designed for one-hand operation, making it easy for adults to pass through. If you need a gate that's simple to set up and use, especially for areas where you'll be frequently passing through, and you prefer not to drill, this is a solid option. What people say. Once installed, it's very sturdy and looks nicer than the usual portable gates. It's slim too, which makes it easy to tuck away when we aren't using it. This is a great little gate. The clasp is the best because it is easiest compared to others that use odd-like features. This just clamps down where needed. Number 2. BirdRock Home 4-Panel Freestanding Dog Gate, 36 white. Keep your furry friends safe and contained while adding a touch of elegance to your home. This versatile barrier is perfect for doorways, staircases, and any opening you need to secure. Easily adapt to your needs. Configure it into a Z-shape for stability or fold it flat for simple storage. It's a flexible solution for any indoor space. Crafted from sturdy MDF with a beautiful finish, this gate is built to last. It provides a reliable and attractive barrier for your pets. Need to cover a large opening? This gate is designed for extra-wide doorways, offering ample space to restrict access while keeping your home looking tidy. Setting it up is a breeze. With clear instructions, you can quickly assemble this convenient and stylish solution for managing your pet's space. What we like. This gate features a 4-panel design offering extra wide coverage, perfect for large openings. It's foldable and can be configured in various shapes. If you have a very wide space to secure, like a large living area or an open plan layout, and want a stylish, adaptable solution, this gate is an excellent fit. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and well-made, with a beautiful wood finish that complements my home decor. It's easy to set up and adjust to different doorway widths, and the swing-open feature makes it convenient to pass through. The height is perfect for keeping my small dog contained without obstructing my view. Number 1. MYPET Extra Wide Wire Mesh Dog Gate. Ensure your pet stays safely contained and your home remains secure. This gate is crafted from robust American hardwood and resilient, vinyl-coated wire mesh for lasting durability. Setting up and removing this gate is a breeze thanks to its simple pressure mount system. It fits perfectly in openings ranging from 29.5 to 50 inches wide and stands 31 inches tall. The durable rubber bumpers ensure a steady hold without causing any damage to your walls. It's also designed to accommodate modern molding, making it versatile for any home. Experience incredible value with its easy pressure mount design. Simply expand it to your desired width and secure it with the sturdy locking bar. This pet gate is proudly assembled in Wisconsin using American hardwood. We are committed to the highest safety and quality standards, bringing you peace of mind. What we like. Crafted from durable American hardwood and featuring a strong wire mesh, this gate offers robust security. Its expandable width and pressure mount system mean no tools are needed for installation. If you prioritize durability, a wide range of fit for openings, and a secure, easy-to-install barrier made with quality materials, this is the gate for you. What people say. The gate is easy to set up and adjust to different openings. It's sturdy and my dog can't knock it over. The wood looks nice and blends in with my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.